Sama koso good day no dia na bebrela de se fata sauti ene abobo no de bro na anwumre yen hyase fanfi the Ghanaian Premier League and when some tema Kumasi Asante Kotoko omo akache ne hyase de afi na de ekoso no ne se Felix Annan ene Kwame Baah nsam no guso koso Felix bench ote de bebrena enhyeda ntiase de ntia ese otena bench coach Maxwell Konadu and the head coach Adom abobokoi wachirem.
That issue for me, I don't see it to be any big thing. I mean, we are all Kotoko materials, and whoever dons the jersey and we win, why not? Everybody is a Kotoko material, and we are working as a team. I believe everybody is okay. There's no division in camp. That is the most important thing, no division in camp. And we keep talking to them for them to understand the situation we find ourselves in. Yeah, things were fragile a bit, but we managed to settle it. So we have to, build on that. We don't want any body to feel neglected or feel left out and all that. We bring everybody on board to make them understand that the team we are all serving is more important than all of us. So we have to think about the team's interest first before.
Yeah.